Changing your profile picture on Slack is a straightforward process that helps personalize your account. Follow these steps to update your profile picture quickly. Step 1. Open Slack. Launch the Slack application on your desktop or mobile device, or visit the Slack website and log into your workspace. Step 2. Access your profile. Click on your workspace name or your profile picture in the top left corner to open the menu. Select Profile from the drop-down options. Step 3. Edit Profile. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Change profile picture. Find the option to change your profile picture. Click on the current picture of the placeholder image, then select Upload an image to choose a new picture from your device. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save Changes button and click it to update your profile. Now your new profile picture is set. Enjoy personalizing your Slack experience.